Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my affiliate marketing results for the month of May. Guys, let's hop into it. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to keep this video short, concise, and getting to all the results so you see the information. If affiliate marketing is something that you're interested in, if you're looking at it from the sidelines, getting your due diligence, trying to unwrap your head around it, then I hope this video is helpful for you and you can find out more in the description of this video. Let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And before I jump into sharing and talking about my affiliate marketing journey, I want to welcome you back to the channel if you're here for the first time. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Why? Because I post 3 times a week. And if you're interested in just learning tips, following me on my journey, understanding what affiliate marketing is, how you can implement the skill sets with as much transparency as you can, then this is a no fluff, no BS channel that exists, and I'm here to give you guys that content and have a very authentic journey. So let's go ahead and talk about the month of May for me. First and foremost, it wasn't the best month. I'm going to say it at right from the get-go. It wasn't the best month in terms of results, but it wasn't the worst month as well. I had a lot on the background happening where I was improving my skills, where I was improving my emails, where I was improving my funnel itself. I had a few things happen in May that allowed, and I had to spend more time on this whole setup side rather than the actual grind of or drive of getting more leads and then advertising and then getting those leads to convert into sales. Basically, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'll give it to you in a nutshell. Is recommending other people's products or services, things that I do own, that I have used myself, and I want to recommend them to other people, but it's not my product, it's something that I'm using. Okay, so that way I become the best recommended product to other people, and that's how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. But I use 2 fundamental skill sets to function along this way, and the 2 fundamental skill sets are simply advertising, so knowing how to advertise, whether you're using free methods or paid methods, it really doesn't matter. As long as you know how to advertise, this is one thing that keeps on improving. It's something that we need to focus on for a long time if we want to stay in the space. And the other thing is copywriting, as I see, is the most important. Why? Because it focuses on conversion. So let's say you get 100 people, you need to know how to convert those 100 people. Maybe you'll not do 100%, but maybe you'll do 10%. How do you convert 10% of those 100 people into actual customers? Okay, and sales, and this whole journey begins, whole customer journey begins, and that's where we focus on. So I really don't focus so much on the sale itself, on the sale itself, but I would like to focus on the skills of how to get it to a sale. So they are real people. We're building a relationship. This is what I always say with affiliate marketing. Do not let automation just take over in such a way that there's no human element, that you're not speaking to customers. Why? First and foremost, when you have contact with the people that you're sharing this with, sharing your offers or services to, you're getting feedback along the way so you can improve. You're learning about the pain points, you're doing market research basically in this manner. Okay, so that's one thing that other affiliate marketers will just go with the hype and try to do things. I'm just sharing with you, and there's no names here, I'm just sharing with you that for me personally, it's about getting to know your customer the best way. And honestly, I don't know my customer, so I'm starting to now build a whole avatar behind it and speak to the right people and so on and so forth. So we all go through the whole progressions in our journey, and I utilize this formula that you can see on screen right now. So the first one is basically a cash flow generation step, which I use then to build my email list and everything else through step 2. It is a very simple formula. If you want to know more about it, I have a course in the description of this video. It is available. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It talks to you about the key essential skill sets of affiliate marketing, which is advertising and copywriting. Okay, so you can find that there if you want to learn more about this specific strategy that you see right here. And in this strategy, I cover how to advertise better, how to get more conversions with your copywriting. So that's the 2 things that I focus on within the course itself. It's a pretty in-depth course, so I hope you guys like it. That's just up to you. This is the formula very openly that I follow. Now, I use specific tools. I use System.io as my main tool to host my everything, host my funnels, host everything. Then I use My Legion Secrets as part of the step number 1. And I then use affiliate marketing networks right now, mainly Warrior Plus. I also have ClickBank, but mainly Warrior Plus to build my whole affiliate marketing journey. So let's go ahead and talk about the 2 here. With ClickBank and Warrior Plus, my main right now, the main way of earning or the results that you're going to see are coming from this step one right here. Now, eventually over time, and I started this whole journey in 2023, it's still majority. So it's a year and still majority of this whole process is still coming from step number one. However, it is gradually growing because now I'm improving in terms of automations, I'm improving in terms of email campaigns and so on and so forth, like basically my email marketing. And so as it gets better, the conversions also start to improve over time. Just to let you guys understand, right now I am getting pretty decent conversion rate even from my emails. But let's see in the month of May how it was for me. Before I share any results, I want to be upfront and clear that none of these results are typical. You are not guaranteed at all any results. Everything that you see on the screen right now, guys, is my results alone. I have taken action. It does not mean you're going to make any money. If you follow any of these strategies, it doesn't mean that you're going to make money. Okay. You have to implement it. There is time that's needed. And as you develop your own skill sets, this will start to improve. I'm just saying that because I really want to be compliant. I don't want to give false promises to anybody. Just to be clear, let's jump into it. First and foremost, so I do use mileage and secrets as a main. I've got some commissions here, so let's go ahead and check commissions on mileage and secrets first. So we're looking at the month of May. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's $59 basically because there's one commission of $4. So 59 for that. Let's look at the ones in Warrior Plus. So that's one thing that I just want to share with you. Warrior Plus last month of May, and let's see the total. So the total was 447. So I didn't crack the 500 this last month, which is not great. So that's why I said it's a lower month than usual. Because otherwise, I'll give you guys an understanding of this. If I go to sales report right here, you'll see that usually since, let's say, January 2023, so that you guys can have an idea, you'll see right here every single month. So when I got started with this strategy, guys, I made 98 the first month, 200 the second month, so on and so forth. But then this year in 2024, you can see from January 500, February 500. March, I went down to 463, so I made a little bit less. So March dropped a little bit. Then April went up, May is down, and this month I hope to get back to at least 500. Okay, so obviously it averages out to 500 every single month, but this month was a little bit lower. I was about $25 short on hitting that $500 per month mark. Okay, so that is totally with also Warrior Plus. Let's go to system.io, which is a tool that I use. I'm going to go to affiliate dashboard, and let's just look at only the month of May because I didn't make a commission, so I have nothing in my affiliate commissions here. Why? Because I do have some offers that I share with my email list from here, and based on that, sometimes I get sales, sometimes I don't. Just to give you guys an idea, if I look at the, I don't know, all time, you'll see that I've earned about $300 in commissions, right? So you can see that it is coming through and there are commissions. What's this last one here? I have no idea. So let's see. But it keeps coming in, and that's the beauty of it. So let's go ahead and now also check on talk about Warrior Plus itself. So if I go to transactions and look at the last month, what I want to show you guys is that you'll see a lot of MLGS sales right here. I got one sale from YouTube, which is nice. I didn't plan it, but I did get it, so I was happy about it. It's actually a recurring. This is a second payment, so I got some recurring sales that came in, which is nice to see. And if I scroll down, so I got one basically recurring from YouTube, and that's it. Okay, so from my email list, if you see right now, from all these 35 sales that I've got, guys, I have not made any commissions in this last month. So that means in step number 2, I did not make any commissions. That being said, I want to make it very clear that I was also editing my email campaign. So my statistics actually of my emails have actually improved and gotten much better. And I also can see my campaign. For example, if I go to my follow-up, I can actually see the benefits right here, because now my open rates have started to improve, and also my click-through rates have started to improve because I changed up my emails a little bit and I started to give more emphasis on them. So this is something that is bringing me a lot of value, because obviously if I made a change in the month of May, I can't expect myself to get this. This is why, for me personally, the strategy that I'm using is so crucial, because even though I was changing in step 2, step 1 kept, bringing in the cash flow, and I can still continuously advertise my entire business, and the whole journey still continues. So I don't have to stop, and I can still make changes and edit and grow along the way. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, in my opinion, that you learn and you grow along the way, and you're applying the skill sets, and you're not waiting a long time. It just takes its own progression. So this is how I see it. I don't know if you guys have any questions, but I just wanted to share with you very openly. Now, with this whole section of, of also campaigns and updates and everything else, I was improving my funnel. I was improving my with system.io. And if you guys want to know about my personal journey, you can watch the last video. I talk about it specifically. This video, I just want to say that I was improving my email campaign first and foremost. I had newsletters that I was sending out. Also, this started to improve drastically. But more than anything else, I started to build now more automations and tags. So I have 3 tags now available. I send out a broadcast email to my broadcast list, which is basically people who have finished my email campaigns and have either bought or not bought something. Then I will just focus on sending them and giving them, adding value to their list. So it doesn't mean that they have to buy anything, but if they do want to get to know me, they still can get to know me this way, because these are people who do open my emails. So I don't want them, if they're engaging with me, maybe they've not decided to buy now, maybe they can buy in the future, but at least they're engaging with me. So I want them to be on my list. If you're not engaging with me, then bye-bye, you go away from my list basically, and are not there. And then I have the other 2 tags available. The other cool part about this whole change that I've made is, in doing so, I also made some automation and rule changes. So I had only 1 rule initially. Now I have 3 rules, as you guys can see right here. One is specifically based on if I make a sale or not. So that just, segments my list a little bit better. One is when the campaign is completed, and then obviously the primary automation that I have. So these are the 3 ones that are already started, that are already active, that are already going to be, implemented and are taking shape as we speak. So I'm excited this month, because June is the first month until the end of the quarter that I can see it in action. And then I believe the next 3 months, quarter 3 will be just scaling up. And I'm excited to see how this goes ahead. So it's been a slow month, but it has been a lot of updates. If you guys like what you see, if you want to learn about automations, if you want to learn about all of this, obviously Affiliate Marketing Essentials is in the description of this video, but all the resources are there available for you. All you need to do is look. That's how I say it. You can definitely look and find out for yourself. And if you resonate with me, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And you can always reach out to me at any point of time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to see you guys on Monday for another video. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.